Let me ask you something that might feel a little too real. Do you trust yourself? And I don't mean, do you want to trust yourself? I mean, deep down, when nobody's watching, when life gets loud, when your emotions get messy, do you trust you? Because some of us don't. Some of us second guess every decision. We overthink, we hesitate, we stall. We say we're waiting on a sign, but really, we don't trust our own judgment anymore. And that hurts in a way people don't talk about. Because when you don't trust yourself, you don't feel safe inside your own life. So here's the truth we're facing today: self forgiveness isn't complete until trust is rebuilt. You can forgive yourself and still not trust yourself. And if trust isn't restored, you'll keep living like you're one mistake away from falling apart. Day 16 is about getting your foundation back. Let's talk about how. Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back. We are on day 16 of this 28-day self forgiveness journey. And listen, if you're still here, you're not just listening, you're choosing yourself in real time, and that matters more than you know. Today's episode is called Rebuilding Self Trust, because a lot of us are walking around with healed scars, but still living like we're fragile. We say, I'm over it. I moved on. I forgave myself. But then we don't trust our instincts. We don't trust our yes. We don't trust our no. We don't trust our ability to handle life without falling back into old patterns. So we stay on edge. We doubt our growth. We look to other people to confirm what we already know. And I get it because I've lived there. This episode is inspired by the moment I realized the person I was waiting to prove I was safe was me. By the end of this episode, you're going to walk away with a clear definition of self trust, why it breaks, how mine broke, and exactly how to rebuild it without perfection or pressure. Okay, let's go. So, what is self trust? Self trust is not arrogance. It's not I never make mistakes. It's not I always get it right. Self trust is this quiet inner safety that says, even if I don't know everything, I know me and I can count on me. It's the belief that your feelings matter, your intuition is worth listening to, your boundaries are valid, your decisions don't need everybody's approval, your healing is real. And if you mess up, you're capable of repairing it. Self trust is being able to say, I won't abandon myself again. Now, why does self trust matter? Because when self trust is broken, life feels like a nervous system workout every day. You live in doubt, anxiety, indecision, people pleasing, fear of your own emotions, constant need to be reassured, cycles you keep swearing you're done with. And here's the part people don't say out loud: broken self trust makes you easy to manipulate. Because if you don't trust you, you'll trust whoever sounds confident, even if they're wrong for you, even if they're unsafe. You'll outsource your power. So let me ask you, what happens when we ignore this part of ourselves? When we forgive ourselves but don't rebuild self trust? We keep repeating the same pain with new faces and different dates, because healing without trust is like rebuilding a house but leaving the foundation cracked. All right, let me take you into my own truth. There was a time when I did not trust myself at all. I had made choices I regretted deeply. I had stayed in things too long, tolerated things I should have walked away from, ignored my intuition so many times that it started whispering instead of speaking. And after a while, I didn't trust my own inner voice. I remember saying to myself, you don't know how to choose right. You always end up hurt. And you know what that did? I would ask 5 people for opinions before I made one decision. I would sit in my emotions like they were criminals.